guys, how's it going? It's Huda here. Today in this video I'm going to show you how nested if statement works in Java. So you just need to follow me and don't forget to subscribe my channel and watch this tutorial with full concentration. First of all, what is nested if? A nested if is an if statement that is target to another if or else. You can say that an if statement within an if statement is called nested if. So guys, if you use if condition and then block, and this one is actually outer if and this one is actually inner if statement. So guys, here get this point. The main thing to remember is that an else statement always refers to the nearest if statement. Here take an example. You can see that here we use two else statements. The last one else statement is associated with the first one if statement and the second last else is associated with the third if statement. You can see that the second if statement having no else because it's not in the same block. So guys, here take an example. First open notepad and here I have declared three variables A, B and C, and here this one block is actually used for getting input from the user. If you don't know how you can take input from the user, then click on the eye icon above the video, then watch that tutorial. So guys, here we just use if statement and then condition if A is equal to B to find that these three numbers are equal or not. So guys, here this example is really so simple. So guys, this one is actually outer if and that one is actually inner if. So guys, A is equal to C and then statement that print on the screen system dot out dot print ln for new line and then within double quotes without our message numbers are equal. So guys, here terminate this and then this one is actually inner else. So guys, here write your statement system dot out dot print ln and then different numbers. So guys, here within double quotes terminate this and then this one actually else, outer else. So guys, here again type this. So we just copy this and paste this here. Now save this program. So guys, just run cmd, set the path cd and then cd jdk 1.7 cd bin for compilation Java C and the class name that is equal num and then dot Java extension. So guys, here to run this use Java and then class name. If you don't know how we can set the path, then watch my tutorial, click on the eye icon above and then you can see that we get the output enter value of A. So I will enter 5. So guys, enter value of B, I will again enter 5, enter value of C, I will again enter 5. You can see that numbers are equal. Again run this, just use Java and class name equal num and here we get the output again. So now I will enter 2 and value of B I will enter 7 and C I will enter 8. So guys, different numbers. So now understand the working of this program. First of all guys, control move into the main function and here I've declared three variable A, B and C. These are declared as an integer in the RAM and then import java.util.scanner. So that one is a package. Alright, and then these are basically used for taking input from the user and then store this value in A and B and C. So guys, that one is actually outer if, and it checks A is equal to B. If the condition become true, then control moved into the inner if statement and check the condition. If A is equal to C, if it's true, it print the statement. If it's false, it print the else statement. So guys, here if the first condition become false, A does not equal to B, then it's all skipped, and then this one is actually skipped. If A does not equal to B, so this one block is skipped, and here the last else statement is executed and print on the screen. So guys, here this small video will really help you. If you like the video, then click on the like button, subscribe button and share button. I will see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz.